What is up, y'all? Good morning. I am making me some breakfast. Well, Helen made the sausage. Finna make me some eggs, and then I'm finna put my what are those called? Waffles back down. So I did just wake up, so I put some salt and pepper in my eggs, and I put crushed red pepper. Then I put some cheese. This is the only shredded cheese we have right now, so that's what I'm about to put in here. Then I'm gonna stir it, and then I'm gonna cook the eggs. I got the pan on 5 right now. I'm just gonna cut it down to 2. Then I'm gonna spray it. I got a little egg pan. I'm gonna spray it with some cooking spray. So I'm about to stir my eggs. Okay guys, you just saw me stir my eggs. I will see you guys when I get done cooking my eggs, warming up my sausage, and dropping my waffles. So let me drop my waffles right now. They're not dark enough. I'm gonna get my plate out. And I'm gonna fix me some OJ, and then I'm gonna eat. Here's my breakfast. I got my sausage, my waffles, my eggs with cheese, and my Sunny D. So let's eat, you guys. So what is up, y'all? It's been a little bit after I have cooked the food. I've just been chilling, watching TV. And I have a question for you guys. Do you guys think I should make a food channel where I do mukbangs, however you say it, and cooking videos and things like that? When we go out to eat, do mukbangs and stuff like that. So that's just a suggestion, because I've been thinking about doing a food channel for a very long time. I just haven't executed that. So let me know. What is up, y'all? We about to go play pool. Me, my dad, and Helen. And I just want to thank you guys for 1,000 subscribers. I mean, I know it might not seem like I'm excited, but this is a very exciting milestone, and there is more to come with these videos. Excuse me. So, without further ado, let's go play some pool.
I don't need her, I don't need him. Fuck it, I do it myself. No one's got this, no one's got that. Fuck it, I do it myself. Everyone's scared, everyone pussy. Fuck it, I do it myself. Everyone.
I can give it. I was just cutting up my recording.
Oh no.
You paid for the hour. Y'all, we made it. Say hey, Dad.
Hey, that.
You and Mama do the same thing.
Hey, that.
She be like, hey, Mom. Say hey, Hill.
Hey.
Oh, I thought she was going to say hey, Hill. Ooh. But we made it to the pool house, y'all. They're gonna be a shirt. Hey, y'all. How y'all doing, y'all?
That'll be our family t-shirt.
Yep.
I should have got my food.
I forgot you had one of them. You'll never bring it.
Don't put me on, damn. Fuck it, I do it myself. Everyone's scared to go talk to her. Fuck it, I do it myself. Everyone's scared to be number one. Fuck it, I do it myself.
Now we just got done playing pool. Helen did good for her first time.
Who won?
She beat me. That was her first time. You know, wink, wink.
But you won. Your daddy.
Yeah, I beat my daddy. Well, because he knocked the 8-ball in, but I still won. So we about to head home and watch snowfall. And I'll see you guys when we get home.
Peace.
What is it, y'all? I am in my bonnet. I really forgot to end the video because I almost fell asleep. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you guys want to see next. And again, thank you guys for 1,000 subscribers. And let's get to 2,000. It's your girl, J Media. I'm out. Peace.